2023 BMW X6 facelift will get new daytime running lights. In these new photos published on Instagram, we can see a BMW X6 facelift prototype covered with camouflage, yet revealing its new daytime running lights. The new light design shows a triangular shape with an arrow pointing towards the outer edges of the light housing. And that comes as no surprise, as BMW's iconic lights have changed over the years, from the double headlamps to the angel eyes to L-shaped lights and now to this new design. The 2023 BMW X6 Sports Activity Coupe will get a slightly wider kidney grille, while the air curtains at the front have also been redesigned for a more aggressive look. It remains to be seen whether the rear-end design goes through a mild transformation also. But one thing is certain, the interior design will certainly be revamped. Previous spy photos and rumor point to a large curved display, similar to the BMW i4 and X. Furthermore, the new X6 facelift will also likely lose its current stylish electronic gear shifter in favor of the minimalistic selector seen on the i20 BMW X, that will also spawn across other future models of the family such as G09XM, G26i4, upcoming G05X5 LCI, G7070 First 7 Series, U062 Series and U11X1. Insiders also talk about new tech and options, like the ambient air and acoustic glazing, and of course, the illuminated kidney grille with a mesh design. The engine lineup gets significant upgrades. The 2023 BMW X6 xDrive 40i will be powered by the upgraded B58 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine delivering 370 horsepower. Next on the list of engine upgrades is the B57-23 revision, 3.0-liter 6-cylinder diesel with a rumored 295 horsepower output. The engine will be featured in the 2023 BMW X5 xDrive 40D, a non-US market model.